It's considered a new day already. It's just another day of the calendar now.
Yesterday they have finished putting the iron sticks all over the ground, and so look at what is still from the other side. Look at that. You need anything to say to yourself? What do you gotta say? Okay. Lol, it's like when you get chained on the swing while you're in the playground. What a loser. What a...
Hello guys. It's 12:12 a.m. It's already after midnight and it feels weird to be doing sit-ups right now, but it's considered a new day already. It's just another day of the calendar now. It's March 14th. So I'm gonna start this off already. But first of all, if you haven't seen the video yesterday, it was one full of randomness. At first I was having fun with my cat, and then I was talking about this Mr. DIY store in which we had a look at some chargers and other fun stuff. And at the end I was talking about the work that was going outside at the construction ground. Right guys, without further ado, I am going to do sit-ups. Yesterday I have done 56 sit-ups and I'm doing at least 40 a day. So today is the second day of this series. Well, actually, the second day of this round of doing a minimum of 40. But overall, it is 11th day of this series. Right, let's get this done. Whoa! We're a start, boys. And on the stroke of midnight, I get to cross another day out. And so as we approach the day that I head to my ski trip, I will officially begin to light this countdown up even more. How will this work? How am I going to make this a more intense countdown? How am I going to light this up? Well, you'll see it as the day approaches. And more importantly, one day before my epic birthday, I will make the vlog a record breaker. I will break the record for the longest vlog I made. I would not, by any circumstance, make a vlog that's any longer than exactly 3,600 seconds, which is equal to 1 hour. And the longest video that I posted on this channel had lasted 3,286 seconds. Well, time for round 2 in it, folks. Ooh, yes. I didn't grumble on that one either, like I do sometimes when I finish it all for the day. And a perfect time to call it out. It's 12:34, and if you don't know what today is World Mathematics Day. Hey. Well, yeah. Pi Day. That's why I call it World Mathematics Day. Alright guys, one final round of these sit-ups. I've done 31 in total so far. How much am I going to finish it with? So, here's to a finish.
Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My words so bright.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Wow, what a finish. Absolutely incredible. What a finish.
And so I have got done. Yeah, by the way, this took more than 30 seconds. That's because the internet at this loft is still absolutely restricted. Yeah, I forgot to update the statistics from what I had done yesterday, and so I'll do that for what I did today. I did 56 sit-ups yesterday, 46 today. Well, to be fair, I still did 6 more than my target. I already told you like 40 times that I'm not that kind of guy that just stops when I come to my target. I just do as much as I can. And so it is the next day. It's less than an hour away from noon. In fact, it's 11:07 a.m. And despite the fact that it is a day with some sunshine, it is still chilly. And I'm gonna be surprised to see what is going on all the way down there. Look at that. There's a crane in the middle of the road. They are finally putting the concrete up. Look at what is all that stuff. Well, yesterday they have finished putting the iron sticks all over the ground, and so today they are already starting the first bit of the next house to come. Just look at this. Look at that. This will pretty much stop the traffic at this point on this road. So they finally put the pipes up, and so there they go. Yeah, you can see this tree there, right? No matter what the season is, it always stands with these spikes. Like, it always looks to be a pine tree no matter what month of the year it is. And so I was hoping that I wouldn't rip my shirt off, since I was standing right ahead of it. Like, my back was right on one of the pines. Right now they have moved on to the next piece of work, which is even harder. It is like hell. You can see that the water is spilling on the road. And just look at what is spilling from the other side. Look at that. Well, man, it is going to dry out at some time, but just what the hell is going on? Freaking insane, bro. How about a view from inside my old bedroom at this house? I used to sleep in this room every night before I wake up on a school morning. Well, it is always worth watching how they prepare a new house to be installed. And so, still at the first stage. Alright, we got out of that construction zone in the last 20 minutes. It did get a little bit quiet, but now it smells like asphalt here as well. They have closed this area recently too. It's an empty room. and it's gonna be a tough one. And for the first time, we got a DS5. All right, that's brand new. Next one, a Clio. Wow, I just went through this car maze. You can see that one got a set of beds here. That wasn't here when we were just coming through. And oh, it's an EQB. Go there. It's a 4MATIC. And there, that's a, oh, it was still there, but you know, I've just got into this DS5 jam. There's a DS5 and there's a DS7 on that side too. But yeah, it's an EQB 350. So, you know, let's see what that one is. It's a Q2. Right. So, got an RB there, but that one was impressive. It's been a nice and decent 40 minutes outside, and so the work continues. And yes, you'll get to see on most of the days throughout that time that I will spend here alone after me and my mom come back from ski break and before we head back to the US. So now they're doing the other edge. Holy hell. That is a good amount of work that I showed you at the construction zone. It's been a pretty noisy day over there so far. There's been a hell of a noise at the construction ground. The traffic is still blocked and many of the parking spots are empty. And that's the coward chained right in front of this box. Whatever used to be a drawer, actually. You need anything to say to yourself? What do you gotta say? Well, okay, don't say anything anyway. You look like a cat. Like a cat when you walk like this. That's insane. And his print looks like a cat as well. Hey, I got you on that one. But what even happened to it? It came from one of the empty houses before it came into construction, which next to our house, it's still going on. And they haven't served the first piece of work to get the building done, get it correct. Oh, great, I was just gonna go back to him for a minute and do like a prank call, but it's that time of the day that in the restaurant there, people go and have a tea time, you know, some tea and snack, although it's after 3 p.m. In fact, it's even closer to 4. It's 3:43, so let's see if they have released him by any chance. Maybe they haven't yet, but he still needs to learn to not be a... Oh, they released him. Goodness me. So, they let go of him. Lol, it's like when you get chained on the swing while you're in a playground. What a loser. What a sore loser that was. They chained him right behind this drawer in which the face of it got broke, so it's not even a drawer anymore, but it was made to be a drawer. Yeah, I don't even mind my voice today. It is also freaking windy. So I mentioned this closed Jeep store yesterday. Now it's all empty, but look, they have made something new here. Coca-Cola headquarters. What? Holy squirrel nuts. It ain't over yet. How am I going to pass through this block? And even these guys are able to get out of this jam, but it's still locked from behind. Okay, thank you. Thankfully that machine did mess it up again, and goodness, the label of this scanner has come off. All right, I didn't want to get into it with these workers again, but That t-shirt I was talking about last Wednesday when I was doing my workout after I finished my drum class, I had to get rid of it. So I got rid of it, and when we get back to the US, hopefully we'll find the same shirt that matches with the shorts that I still have, you know, that Puma outfit. Hopefully we'll get that done. And on Thursday, we'll get some late winter shopping done, which could have been done today, to be fair and honest, but we've already done with the ski supplies in the past weeks. So this week we'll focus on the extra stuff. And yeah, it does smell a bit like acid when you go down there due to all the progress. And now the crane has been standing here for 6 hours. So it's been a load of work. Never thought I'd even talk about this, but look what I found. Look what I took. You see that? Just the emerald key that I took from the US. I just realized it yesterday. When I came into the loft yesterday, it was a big surprise. Let's try it under the sun. Let's test it. Oh yeah, like when you put it in the shade, that's what it looks to be emerald, but put it under the sun and yeah, that stuff. But perfect scenario. Look at that, the brightness of it. Like it just doesn't give the same sharpness and brightness if I would try my Lakers key. But with a color like crimson or diamond or even emerald, boy, it just suits. It just gives the vibe. It's 7:51. The crane is still in its place. It is still as it was when we started this day. Holy elephants. Yes, I'm saying elephants instead of cows because it is already post-sunset. So you can notice half of this ground is still filled with sticks and the other half, well, except those that are facing vertically, now all that has been covered. So tomorrow, another day, the other half of this should get done. No lie, it has been really noisy in that area for pretty much the whole of today. And my iPad has 1%. Yes, 1% battery left. This is not April Fool's yet. All right, it's still living, so just need to send it to my phone. But all right, it's already been like 10 seconds now. Oh, there we go. Okay, finally I got to send it. Like, it was just right at the edge. My iPad was just right at the edge of switching off. It's battery level. Like, it's gonna die any second now. Like, you see, it's already been at 1% for 4 minutes, and I've already been working for 3 of those minutes to send that time lapse onto my phone. And it's like you just get your body out of that rope. You see, hang on to that rope and you climb onto that cliff, like you save yourself from falling into the mud. Oh hell, it just ran out of battery. My iPad just ran out of battery. Like, good thing I got to send it right before. Like, I held onto that rope, but now it just died. And look, I got another one of my new chargers here. I think, yeah, this is like the last 3 that I got that are considered long cables. And it works. So, that should be worth it. Holy panda. This is my reaction now. Like, 10 minutes ago, I said holy elephant, but now this is holy panda. It's 8:24. That's just about the end of today, you guys. The wind has calmed down, thankfully. And so now this should be over. Like, this should be done and over with already. all of the workers have dispersed. And so this truck has been standing in the middle of the road literally for the whole day. So it should be just about over with already. Just like the day itself. So tomorrow I will do my weekly drum lesson. And what I'm really going to do is I am not going to go to the fitness center more than twice this week. Since I am going to use the gym at the hotel on 2 occasions, I am going to limit my activity at the fitness. I'll do it tomorrow, but I will not focus on the whole week or the whole weekend, because on Sunday we'll get on the plane and we'll just kick off our ski trip just like that. We won't do any skiing on Sunday because, you know, the timing and stuff, the check-in and whatever we would do after our skiing activities. Supposing that the first ski lesson would be at around 10 a.m. then the second one would be at 2 p.m. according to the timetable. I think it should be about a 50-minute ski lesson anyway. Right, guys, so that's going to be it for today's vlog. I'm really hoping I enjoyed this one. Some jokes, but as well some intensity on this ground. But mainly at the beginning of the vlog, before I did my sit-ups, I made fun saying the World Mathematics Day. But guys, it's getting even more chilly now. Like, the wind has calmed down, but that has made it even more chilly. So I will see you guys in the vlog tomorrow. Have a great day and good night.